So hello guys, have you ever noticed a small lock icon into a website in your browser? That tiny lock is one of the most important security feature of the internet actually. Without it, your password, bank details, email and private messages could be read by anyone. In this video, I'll explain what a SSL certificate actually is, why HTTPS is so important, how SSL works step by step, and where SSL is used in real life. Don't worry, I'll explain everything in simple terms, and by the end of the video, you will fully understand how website stay secure. So SSL stand for Secure Socket Layer. An SSL certificate is a digital security certificate that protects communication between your browser and a website. When a website has SSL, your website URL with HTTPS, you see a lock icon on the browser. All the data exchange is encrypted. Encryption means the data is converted into a secret code. Think of SSL like us sending a letter inside a sealed envelope instead of a postcard. Anyone can see the envelope, but only the intended person can read what's inside. Without SSL, your data travel as plain text, which is extremely dangerous. Let's understand the difference between HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP means no security, and HTTPS means securing communication using SSL. If you submit a login form on HTTP website, your username, your password, your personal data can easily be intercepted. On HTTPS website, the data is encrypted before being sent. That's why modern browsers show a warning saying not secure for HTTPS websites. Google also ranks HTTPS websites higher in search result. So SSL is important not just for security but also for SEO. And why SSL is important is for mainly three reasons. First is the encryption. SSL encrypts data so hacker cannot read it. Second, authentication. SSL ensure that you are connecting to a real website, not a fake one. Third one is the data integrity. SSL prevents attacker from modifying the data while it's being transferred. Without SSL, attackers on the public Wi-Fi network can perform something called as a man in the middle attack. This means they secretly intercept the communication between you and the website. SSL completely block this attack. This is why banks, shopping website, cloud platform always use SSL. So like something in the data which is going from your browser to the website is not being hacked by any middleman. Now let's understand how SSL actually works. Uh, we will keep it simple. Take it as a first step. You type a secure website address in your browser. The website send its SSL certificate to the browser. The certificate contains a website identity, a public encryption key, and the certificate authority signature. Okay, and in the step 3, the browser verifies the certificate with a trusted authority. If the certificate is valid, the browser trusts the website. Your browser creates a secure encryption key in the next step. The key is shared safely using the public key encryption. Now, in the next step, the secure connection is now established. All the data sent between your browser and website is encrypted now. Even if someone intercepts it, they will see only a random character. The entire process happens in a milliseconds. And now we will just see the concept of public and the private key. SSL uses something called the private key and the public key encryption. The public key is shared with everyone and the private key is kept secret on the server. Data encrypted with the public key can only be decrypted using the private key. This ensures only the intended server can read the data. This is one of the strongest security mechanism used on the internet. Now, what are the type of SSL certificates? There are different type of SSL certificates like domain validation SSL. This provide basic encryption used by blogs, personal website, and then there is organizational validation SSL. This verifies business identity used by company website, and we also have extended validation SSL. This offer the highest trust level used by bank and financial platform. All type of data it encrypts, but the trust level also increases. And where is SSL used? SSL is used almost everywhere, like in online banking, e-commerce website, email services, cloud platform, social media. In fact, most modern browser block non-HTTPS website completely. SSL like is no longer optional; it is mandatory. To summarize, I would say SSL encrypts data, HTTPS keep users safe, SSL build trust, and SSL is essential for every website. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.